Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views. Today is Monday, November 21st, 2011. A lot to cover in this market, so let's get right into the charts. Here you're going to see a chart of the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading down about 16 and a half points at the moment. Big decline this morning in the futures market. A lot of problems coming out of the European Union. The dollar is also trading higher. The U.S. dollar index is higher by a little bit here, trading up by 30 cents, and that will also put pressure on this market. Again, we have to look at the European Union. It looks like Germany may be defecting away from the Eurobond idea. That is definitely putting some pressure on the European markets. You also have Moody's warning that France may lose its AAA credit rating. Also, the United States has that 12-member super committee that cannot come up with a deficit savings plan, and it looks like the S&P Standard and Poor's may expect a credit rating to occur in the United States again. We already had one credit rating earlier this year. So there's a lot going on there. It looks like the Asian markets were weaker as well. Asian markets really were down across the board. The Indian Sensex was down 2.6%, so traders can watch this morning for the Indian ADRs to be weaker. Stocks like Tata Motors, you could see trading lower already. Stocks like Infosys trading lower as well. So there's definitely going to be some weakness in the Asian ADRs. The Shanghai index last night surprisingly held up very well. Actually, the Shanghai rallied in the final hour of trading to really just finish down flat on the day after erasing a big earlier decline. So that index actually held up well. So the Chinese ADRs may be okay today if the markets rebound a little bit. If the markets are weak, then the Chinese ADRs will come into play and they'll be a little weak as well. But if the U.S. markets hold up, Chinese ADRs may not get hit too badly today, on from what I can tell at the moment. Okay, so there's a few different things there. Let's take a look at gold. Gold is trading lower this morning. However, it has just popped as the markets have caught a little bit of a bid. So GLD is trading right at 167.62. However, it was much lower this morning around 7 o'clock. And you can see gold is trading pretty erratic at the moment, but still negative on the day. Let's take a look at silver. Silver made just a little bit of a bounce, nothing really much there. You can see silver closed at 31.40 on Friday. Today trading at 30.40, so down about $1 from Friday's close. Again, when gold goes down, it signals deflation in the market. When gold goes up, it tells us their markets are being inflated. Probably money is being printed or created by a central bank. Now let's take a look at the USO this morning. You'll see that is slightly lower. USO closed at $37.82. Today trading at $37.24. It looks like spot oil, I should say WTI crude, is trading down about $1.30 to $96.36 per barrel. So crude in the U.S. coming down a little bit for the third straight day. We have to watch the U.S. dollar. If the dollar rallies, all the markets, whether the commodities or the stocks, they will all decline. When the dollar falls, the markets will all inflate and trade higher. So we have to really keep a close eye on the markets in general, and really more in particularly on the dollar. Couple of other things that I'm seeing here, some stocks in the news today. VRUS, this stock is bought out today. It looks like a buyout. Anytime I see that pattern, I know a stock has been bought out. But just realize there's nothing to do here. Okay, the move is over. You don't want to jump in on that. That's it. It's flatlining. It's up 60 plus points. It's a great move, but the move is absolutely over. Another stock I'm seeing today, INHX, having another big day here. This is up about $2 or so. I have to think that around $12 you have pretty good resistance, but nonetheless it is getting a big bid today, and probably holds up pretty well. I'm not sure if it's in sympathy to something, but nonetheless, nice little pop there. Some weakness I have seen in the market today. Las Vegas Sands, pretty weak. Nice little decline. Wynn Resorts, pretty good little decline. I would not do anything with these two. They're at very sensitive levels. If they break here, they actually can trade lower. So be a little bit careful on the casino names unless these markets can firm up a little bit. Right now the markets are pretty weak, and the casino names look pretty weak as well. So that's what I'm seeing so far this morning. Everything will probably trade with the overall stock market indexes. This is a holiday shortened week in the United States, as the markets will be closed for the Thanksgiving Day holiday. Usually favors a slight bit of upside with light volume. However, this time could be a little different, as you have all these European problems coming into play. And the big question will be, really, is Germany going to be on board with the Eurobond bailout? If they are not, it could be the end of the European Union as we know it a lot quicker than I thought. So that's where we stand. Again, just stay a little bit on the cautious side. Look for the best chart setups. And really, that's what you want to do in this type of environment. It's going to be turbulent going forward, especially with all this European news coming out really by the minute. Okay? With that, I'm going to leave this video short and sweet today. Those of you in the chat room, will see you on the microphone at 9:30. Everyone else, have a great trading day, and we'll see you tomorrow. Take care now.